Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of intelligent battery chargers.
And I'm excited to introduce you to the best one out there, the NOCO GENIUS1.
Let's jump right in. Hey there, folks. Today, we're taking a closer look at the NOCO GENIUS1, the ultimate intelligent battery charger for all your charging needs. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just someone who wants to keep their batteries in top-notch condition, this charger has got you covered. First things first, let's talk about why the Genius One stands out from the crowd.
This bad boy packs a punch with its 1 amp charging power, making it ideal for both 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid batteries.
But wait, there's more.
It's also compatible with lithium-ion batteries, giving you even more versatility.
What really sets the Genius One apart is its precision charging capabilities. Thanks to its integrated digital thermal sensor, this charger adjusts the charging rate based on the ambient temperature, ensuring your batteries get the perfect charge every time. No more worrying about overcharging in hot climates or undercharging in cold weather. But that's not all. The Genius One goes above and beyond your typical battery charger. It's equipped with a battery repair mode that uses advanced pulse reconditioning technology to detect and fix battery sulfation and acid stratification, giving your batteries a new lease on life. And let's not forget about its compact and portable design. Whether you're working in the garage, out on the road, or even in your own home, the Genius One is small enough to go wherever you need it. Plus, its X-Connect battery connectors make for quick and easy connections, so you can get back to what you love doing faster. So there you have it, folks.
The NOCO GENIUS1 is hands down the best intelligent battery charger 12 volts on the market today.
With its powerful charging capabilities, precision charging technology, and compact design, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their batteries in top condition.
Don't just take my word for it, though.
Check it out for yourself and experience the difference.